Here's the key. You ask about the fundamentals of AI, which is all we can talk about right now because AI is just basically fundamental right now. AI can make you better. So whatever you're doing right now, AI can help you do it better. It can help you do it faster, and it can make you more valuable. You is an interesting word. It can be singular, it can be plural. You as an individual, you as whatever profession you're in, you as an organization. Whatever that you is, it can make you more valuable because of its capabilities.